Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with safety and the first mechanical step. Chock the rear wheel, lift at the factory jack point, and place jack stands under the control arm. Once secure, remove the wheel so you can access the sway bar link. Identify the top and bottom nuts and the stud. Use penetrating oil where threads look rusty. Grab a 15 mm or 18 mm wrench and a 3/8. You now tackle the stubborn middle step. Stop the stud from spinning by inserting the correct hex key or Allen bit into the top of the stud and stabilize with a second wrench on the nut. Once held, use a breaker bar on the outer nut, apply steady inward force, and avoid sudden jerks. If it resists, spray more penetrating oil, wait 10 minutes, and tap the nut lightly to break corrosion. Make sure you finish by fully backing the nut off and pulling the sway bar link free. Sometimes you must angle it slightly to clear the control arm. Inspect the bushings and ball joint. Replace the link if any play exists and torque new hardware to factory specs when reinstalling. Once done, remount the wheel, lower the car, and test drive at low speed. If the link remains stuck, use a pickle fork or slide hammer with care, then recheck for bent components before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.